NASDAQ and 100 and US30 both have raised against. However, remember the fact that on the downside they have got very stronger support as expected. As I have told several times that on the downside 33,400 and 11,400, till the time it trades above these levels, there is a potential for them to rise, and there is a potential for them to stay bullish. Yesterday they tried to break till towards 33,700. Those who watched the yesterday's analysis, I told these numbers 33,700 should be a good support, and then 11,600 both taking the support, now trading with a rise. So now what to expect today? Before I come up with my next analysis, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. The next analysis will be up before the US cash session, so do watch it also. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start. First we'll look into NASDAQ 100 followed with Dow Jones. Now before we go to the daily charts, let's have a look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, see, so far the complete movement is engulfed between this 11,600, certainly a very good support, and then on the downside 11,400 levels. Now can it breach these levels? Let's have a further detailed look. See a sharp drop, retracement, and now trying to take the support. Now see the previous two candles here, lower highs, lower lows, so it is trying to moderate itself. Yes, you can buy here at 11,760 levels, my favorite. Beyond 11,760 you can expect little more bullishness, which might take it for 11,800, 11,840, and only above 11,840 you can expect little more bullishness. At the same time, look at this 11,680 levels, certainly be a good support, and below 680 you can expect little more bearishness, which might take it till towards 11,640, 11,600 levels. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic at bottom, MACD bearish, RSI is also trading at bottom, and without any bias it is just trading flat. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, now look closely here. So first thing is exclude this, and if you observe this, this is clearly a bullish channel with the support now for the day at around 11,640, 650 levels. Only and only if you see it trading below 600 you can confirm that there is bearishness. Else, remember, it is trying to trade in this channel. The median of this channel is at 11,800, 840 levels. So trading above this, certainly more bullishness to be seen. And on the downside, as I said, yes, you can sell 11,680, and then still you have to be cautious till 11,640, 11,600 levels. So in between this, do not try to take any position, and hence 11,680, 11,800 levels for these 120 points, refrain from trading Nasdaq 100. Directional movement bearish and trying to converge. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is trading bearish, it may try to converge. RSI is trading with a slightly bearish slope. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look closely at the 3-hour charts. Rise, drop, rise, drop. Now potentially it may try to connect or continue in this wave. Now this wave has the highs at 12,000 levels or 11,950 levels. The support there on the downside is certainly be there at 11,660, 11,680 levels. Direction movement converging for a sell-off, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent, this is bearish, this is still got the potential for it to continue with the bearish momentum, and the RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts closely. See, potentially it appears like in head and shoulders on the 4-hour charts. At the same time, it appears that it has taken the bottom there, so it is an upward curving arch there, and upward curving arch potentially till the time it trades within this, it's fine. Once it breaks down, certainly it is going to call for the bears out there. Hence for the day 11,640, 660 should be a very good support, and then 11,600 below that a crash can be expected. Direction movement converging for a sell, stochastic comfortable. The MACD is crossing over for a sell, RSI comfortable. And if you look at the daily charts, now look closely on the daily charts. On the daily charts, see this. Now still it is falling shy of the previous highs. Also look at this long term trend line, which is the highs for this channel, and it is very well respected this. Now on the downside here till 11,600 640 levels, this is also very good support, because below 11,500 we are looking forward to a crash out there. Till the time it trades above this zone, certainly you can expect it to remain bullish here. Now, if you look closely, if you see it trading above 11,800, you can expect that there is a potential for it to rise till towards 11,900 levels, which is certainly going to be a very good resistance zone. Because see what it is trying to do, it is trying to trade within this. It can give you good swings for 11,640 and 11,900 levels, almost 250 points. Yes, there could be a swing full day. Directional movement here is bullish. Stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is looking downwards here. Considering for the day, you can sell at 11,680 levels. Below 11,680 till 11,640, there are stronger supports than 11,600, and if it breaks below 11,600, you can expect 11,550, 500 as the major support, and then 11,400 levels. On the upside, yes, you can buy at 11,800, expect 11,840, 11,900, 11,900, 920, again going to be a very strong resistance. Beyond that, we may see it flying for 12,000 level. Take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones, which is trading at 33,985 levels. And if you look at the hourly charts for US30, look on the broader picture and you will observe that this is the channel in which it is trying to trade. 33,800 again going to be a important support for the day. You have to be cautious till then. Achieving 33,800 also, it can reverse any point of time. Then 33,700 and 600 are anyways there, and the bottom is in fact at 33,400 levels. Till that time it trades about 33,400. I am repeating again, I will not consider this as bearish, and you can see this, it is trying to trade within this channel. Once it trades about 34,200, certainly you can consider that for a good bullish move. Now look at the hourly charts closely. It consolidated here, sharp drop, retracement, now trying to create a channel of its own. Possibly once it breaks past 34,100, there could be little more bullishness which might be seen there. Now direction stochastic is looking downwards here. The MACD is bearish. RSI is also looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, so similar is the observation. However, there could be a potential bearishness right now, which is trying to take it further down till towards 33,950, 33,900 levels. Only sell entry is for US30 is below 33,850 levels. I will not recommend you to sell for 33,850 and buy at 34,050. For this 200 points today, I will not recommend you to take any position. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic flat, the MACD divergent and bearish, RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, lower highs, lower lows. Now let it break past either of these for it to sustain the momentum. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic comfortable. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent. This is bearish. This is looking downwards. I'll wait for it to cross over for the bullish move for a signal of a buy. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts here. On the 4-hour charts, it is still trying to consolidate. Neither the bulls nor the bears trying to take the charge. That is why I say in between 33,850, 34,050 for these 200 strong points, do not trade. Direction movement bullish, stochastic flat. MACD has crossed over for a sell. This is divergent. This is looking downwards. So I'll wait for a little. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts and look at the previous 2 candles. See this big bullish move, 2 lower highs, lower lows. Yes, any point of time trading above 34,200, it is going to fly high. At the same time, till the time it trades below lower lows, till towards 33,600 levels cannot be denied. So below 33,850, you can expect 33,800 first and strongest support, then 33,700 and then 33,600. On the downside till 33,400, one can remain bullish. Directional movement bullish, stochastic flat. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge, and the RSI is trading flat. Considering this for the day, do not trade for this 200 points. Above 34,050, first target 34,100, next 34,200, very strong resistance at 34,200. Beyond 34,200, stay long for 34,400, 600, 800 levels, and then beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. On the downside, be alert till 33,600, 33,400 levels. Only below 33,400, we may see a stronger crest. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.